YouTube. This is going to be a tutorial video on how to upgrade the RAM in your iMac. I ordered the 2 gig RAM cards from MacSales.com, and with second day shipping it was only about 60 bucks, so it's a pretty good deal. Highly recommend it. Came very fast. You're going to need a very small screwdriver, Phillips head, to unscrew. This is the base of the iMac, and there's a screw in the middle here. It even gives you instructions here on the underside, but I just wanted to show you.
When you get the compartment open and you're flipping out the tabs that are down there, to pull out the RAM, all you have to do is pull the tabs outward towards you and give them a nice tug, and the RAM will pop right out.
Make sure that you line up this little indentation here with the slot that it will fit in inside the computer. Because if not, you're going to have issues. Make sure it's seated. Should get in there pretty good. And you're going to tuck the tabs back in. And we're going to screw the compartment back on. Alright, so now I've plugged everything back in. We're booting the computer. As you can see, 4 gigabytes, 800 megahertz DDR2 SDRAM.
Please comment, rate, and send me any questions you may have. Thanks again.